facility, it's quite charming. They have a beautiful garden, so you can stay outside on the sunny days.
I like it because it's not so huge, it's comfortable.
Excel English is a very good school because there are a lot of nature near the school.
The environment they create is really sociable.
It's my holiday in Excel English. Everybody is really kind.
I know every teacher, and also every teacher knows me, so it's good for me to improve my English.
I have opportunity to speak with native English speakers, and I think it's a good way to learn English. Yeah.
I was beginner before I came here, and now I'm upper intermediate. Yeah, now I can speak what I want to say.
And thanks to Excel English, I've achieved a decent level of English to start university.